So in this video I have cosine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta divided by cosine theta equals to 2 secant theta. So I start from the left hand side. I have the common denominator, so I will have cosine times 1 plus sine. This cosine I multiply by this one, and here I have 1 plus sine squared. This sine theta squared. And then I will have cosine squared x theta. Here we have 1 plus sine squared theta plus 2 sine squared divided by cosine times 1 plus sine theta. So these two will be equal to 2 equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sine theta divided by cosine 1 plus sine theta. So here I factor 2, so it will be 1 plus sine theta divided by cosine 1 plus sine theta. So these two cancel out. It will be 2 over cosine theta, which is equal to secant, so 2 secant theta. That's proven. Another example I want to do, it's very close to this one, so I have it together with the previous one. So I have cosine 1 minus sine theta minus cosine theta 1 plus sine theta equals to 2 tan theta. So what I can do, I can common factor. So I have cosine theta 1 plus sine theta minus cosine theta times 1 minus sine theta. Then it will be equal to cosine theta plus sine theta cosine theta minus cosine theta plus sine theta cosine theta. In denominator I have 1 minus sine squared theta based on difference of squares. So if we go back here, these two cancel out. These two cancel out, and these two will be 2 sine theta cosine theta. And here I have cosine squared theta from here. 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared. So this one and this one cancel out, and I will have 2 sine theta divided by cosine theta, which will be equal to 2 tan theta.